The 2024 Audi Q3, the most budget-friendly SUV in Audi's lineup, offers a compact interpretation of the design philosophy that defines Audi's entire range. The exterior bears a striking resemblance to its Q5 sibling, with this resemblance extending to the interior, build quality, and driving characteristics. All-wheel drive comes standard, and for 2024, Adaptive Cruise Assist, which includes adaptive cruise control, is now included as standard equipment. Buyers selecting the convenience package will find the HomeLink feature integrated into the rearview mirror, along with the option for wireless phone charging. In terms of exterior finishes, Arcona White replaces Ibis White, Progressive Red Metallic replaces Tango Red Metallic, and Turbo Blue is no longer available. Under the hood of the 2024 Q3 lies a single 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, available in two versions, one generating 181 horsepower and 221 foot-pounds of torque in the Q340, and another producing 228 horsepower and 258 pound-feet in the Q345. Power is transmitted through an 8-speed automatic transmission to all four wheels via the standard Quattro all-wheel drive system. While neither Q3 version claims the title of the fastest in its class, the best 0 to 60 miles per hour time we recorded was 7.3 seconds during our test of the Q345 a few years ago. The second-generation Q3, introduced in 2019, addressed most of the issues that plagued its predecessor. It is larger, constructed with higher quality materials, and equipped with the latest technology and more user-friendly controls. The driving position has significantly improved, and the front seat comfort is superior, thanks in part to the 8-way power adjustment and lumbar support for the driver. The standard panoramic sunroof, leather upholstery, and heated front seats make the Q3 feel deserving of the prestigious Audi badge. Those seeking a more luxurious experience can opt for ambient interior lighting, a fully digital gauge cluster, and contrasting micro-suede on the dashboard and doors at an additional cost. Despite the luxury, rear seat passengers may find long journeys less comfortable due to limited rear legroom. However, the cargo area can accommodate 6 carry-on suitcases, with room for an additional 12 bags when the rear seats are folded down. These figures are slightly less than what the X1 can hold, but on par with the Jaguar E-Pace.